And you knew from the moment it left his foot that it was just going to float over the goalkeeper. In off the crossbar as well for added effect. And look at that from Pau Lopez. He knows he stood no chance.
MESSI from about 25 yards out into the corner, off the fingertips and to the back of the net. He's done it again.
The madness of MESSI! Insane talent! In Camp Nou, where the insane becomes the expected.
Way gifted back, MESSI! Just like that.
To turn back to Lionel Messi! Messi again! Lionel Messi does it! A priceless goal from Lionel Messi! Against his favourite opponent.
Gets it back, Messi!
Goal. It's Messi to Neymar to Messi! That could be the goal! That could be the title clinching goal! Here's a great chance for Messi! It's 1-1. Dino stopped by Casillas, blasted in by Messi! That's what Lionel Messi has in mind. Messi takes everybody on. Messi has got it! Could be a killer goal. Lionel Messi takes his time and walks it in. With defenders. Lionel Messi. It's humiliating for Real Madrid.
Empfohlene. Away from Marcelo. Messi!
Literally snapping it around and he grabs it, anything to try and keep hold of it.
Rio. This time, Ted is the boss. But here's Messi. Away from 2, 3, 4. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. How good is he? A near supernatural goal from Lionel Messi.
It's Messi again! Is there no stopping him? The bigger the game, the bigger the goal for the little man. Absolutely beautiful. It's Messi. It's magnificent. You are watching possibly the greatest footballer ever at the absolute peak of his. It's Messi's free kick. Oh, it's a brilliant Lionel Messi goal. That is world class. That is Messi class. That's above world class, Jerry.
Ripped in by Messi. Oh!
Passing between Messi and Pedro, and it's Lionel Messi. You could take full advantage. It's Lionel Messi! Return on Villa. Messi, another hat-trick!
Looking to exchange it with Dundee, and he scores! Messi! Playing there as well now. Here's Messi, glides away from Aspilicueta. Oh, he's gone through the legs again! Messi's 100th goal in the Champions League.
Here's Messi.
There is Lionel Messi, holding people off. Lionel Messi! Messi onto his left foot, puts inside, takes it all, covers Lionel Messi, and then passes it into the goal. There's no stopping him. Alves, looking for Messi. Oh! He looks second best there against Claudio Bravo, but never underestimate. Pedro, Messi, goal for Lionel Messi. Better on that occasion, but he's still in there.
Attack it back, it'll come for Lionel Messi! Oh, he's walking in! City stops! Gifted Messi the opening goal! Messi is clear. Messi is trying to loft it in, and anything that Messi tries, Messi can do. Again. And again, and again. Another chip, another goal, another brilliant goal, another hat-trick. Messi couldn't quite get to the return. Or can he? Yes, he can. Four for Messi. Here's Messi. It's Champions League history for Lionel Messi. Nobody has ever scored 5 goals.
Argentina looking to break with Lionel Messi, who makes no mistake. What Neymar couldn't do, Messi does. Which is intriguingly poised right now, and here he goes again, and Messi gets there first, and Messi makes it too.
got an extra man.
Here goes Messi. They're backing off and backing off! It's a wonder goal by Lionel Messi! A hat-trick for Lionel Messi! And the best player in the world might just have won this game for Argentina.
Picking up the pieces. What a ball that is for Messi! And he has scored! Lionel Messi with a sublime finish.
Alves furthest forward, decoy run, Messi! Goal! Barcelona! Messi's in! 2-0! You can't afford this.
Messi in with a challenge on Young, and he comes away with it, and he gets away from Fred and shoots! Oh, he's done it! Little Mr. Dynamite with another goal for Barcelona, and you can't get in space like that. Tino McTominay was tracking back there for United. Fred's lost it. Here's Messi. Off he goes again. Oh, he's squirmed under him. He's got another one. And you hardly ever see David De Gea make a mistake like that. Not on a big night like this.
On the outside of Miguel. Lionel Messi! Brilliant! Brilliant ball. Abidal straight across. Messi! What a save! But he doesn't keep it out! Looks the goalkeeper. Balls to Messi! Hat-trick! On the brink of a fourth goal! Oh, and he does it with style. Will run off the ball. There's Fabregas. Another fine pass from Fabregas. Messi between defenders and goalkeeper. And you know what comes next. Marauding Messi. Red alert. You slip up, you give him a mark. Can he join in the goal-scoring party? Messi has got his hat-trick. 40 minutes, two in the space of 2 minutes. Messi with a free run to go. Is this a formality? Messi, oh yes he gets it. How cruel is that on Valencia?
Body's in the way. Here's Mascherano. Back with Messi. Oh yes! Well, blink. Take your eyes off him.
Bring it down.
It's 2-0. It's Messi. He's scored against an English club now. It's Manchester United at a crucial time with 20 minutes to go.
Well, early in this build-up, you know, Cristiano Ronaldo and Patrice Evra make a right mess of this.
Messi.
Oh, Messi!
After very little, the little man gets a lot for Barcelona.
Saved by Bernat. It's let Messi in.
He makes the difference for Barcelona. There were one or two signs.
And here he is again. Here he is again.
That's astonishing. It's absolutely world class.
Messi has the ball where he likes it. He's got the ball where he absolutely loves it. In the back of the opponent's net. It's a glorious free kick from the master. Barcelona 1, PSV 0. Lionel Messi on the board.
Ya han visto, balón para el 10, más de Messi dentro del área, más de Messi.
Bueno! Goal!
Messi famously has never scored past Buffon. This is not Messi.
A night in which he's been pretty quiet, but a night in which he scores past Gigi Buffon for the first time in his career.
Their Barcelona counterparts in that kind of position. Here's Messi, scores again.
What a night this is turning into for Barcelona.
It's Lionel Messi.
Against Czech. And Messi scores, and Barcelona get a second goal, and now it's a real uphill battle for Arsenal.
Shout, the referee says play on. Iniesta to Messi this time, and it's 1-1. Messi makes no mistake, and the second time of us. Messi, off goal, what a goal from Leo Messi! What an incredible strike from Leo Messi!
Golpea Messi.
It's Messi.
Oh, that's wonderful. It had to be him. And Suarez. And back to Messi. That's brilliant from Barca. Back to Messi. Oh, that is brilliant from Messi. What more could you say about the man?
Busquets. And again. Rakitic. One touch. Messi strides. He strikes. Scores! We're tied at 1. Magic from Messi. Astonishing again. Messi proves. Inside. It's Messi. Oh, again. The medicine man arrives and sinks his flaming spear into the hearts of Real Madrid. Astonishing from Messi.
Cuts in on his right hand, on his right
Suarez
foot.
through. Sorry, Duncan. Play on, says the referee. Suarez to Messi. Messi getting away from Casemiro. Leo Messi. 2-1 to Barcelona. 10-0 on the pitch. That's sheer spirit from Football Club Barcelona. And it had to be Leo Messi.
Into Messi, it's clever with Xavi. It's Messi, it's 1-0. And it's absolutely brilliant Barcelona football. Cassini losing out to Iniesta. Now Lionel Messi, 2-0. Two stunning goals for Lionel Messi. Inside 40 minutes of the second leg.
And Suarez hits the bar, and Messi follows up, and it is 2-0. They picked Liverpool's pocket with a counter-attack, certainly against the run of play. Messi, oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Just when you think he's done everything, he comes up with something even more special. The best player we've ever seen.
Little Messi into the area. Now they have to watch the steps. Oh, magical Messi! He is something else. In control brilliantly. Messi drives inside.
Here we go. And he's enjoyed himself so much. Just look at that. Here he is again.
Lionel Messi's on a hat-trick! Don't blink, he'll miss a Messi goal.
Messi. Maria in support again, and Messi's there! Argentina are level! And who else? Or Messi might be through again. It's Messi! This is what the great players do. Messi to accelerate, to look for the